So the question is retail arbitrage dead? Hey, it's Emma Louise Hamilton here. Today I'm going to be going to a wholesalers to see if I can actually buy some products in bulk. Lately I've been buying bigger quantities of items. These tend to be items that are replenishable that I'm selling on a consistent basis. I've decided that I want to try and find if I can actually buy some items in bulk and actually get these at a cheaper rate. So I'm just outside the wholesalers now. Let's head inside and have a look around. Do smash that thumbs up button if you want to see more videos about wholesale. So I'm just leaving the wholesalers now, and I've got to say that I was pleasantly surprised by the prices and actually the quantities that you can order. You don't necessarily have to be ordering hundreds at a time. So the question is retail arbitrage dead? So retail arbitrage and online arbitrage is a great way to get started. When you find an item that you are continually replenishing on a weekly or bi-weekly or monthly basis, and you know you will sell a certain quantity, then it is time to start looking to see if you can actually purchase those items at a cheaper price. And that's where wholesale comes into it. I will say, however, that not all the prices are actually cheaper in wholesale, as when we're using cashback sites, cashback cards, buying offers on clearance or reduced price, actually sometimes they're cheaper to buy from retailers than wholesalers. A perfect example is that you can actually buy these chocolates at a retailer currently for £4. Using all the discounts that are available to us, can actually get these chocolates for about £3. Meanwhile, this is a leaflet from one of the wholesalers. They are selling the same item for £4.49. The wholesalers is actually more than we could buy for at retailers using all the discounts that are available to us. I have found this listing on Amazon, which is for 2 tubs of the chocolate. Inputting our buy price from the retailer of £3 per tub, which equals to £6 into BuyBot Pro, will calculate our profit and return on investment. Purchasing this item from the retailer will give us a profit of around £3.19 and a return on investment of 53%. When purchased from the retailer, BuyBot Pro deems this item an average buy due to the great return on investment. I'm going to repeat this exercise, however this time I'm going to input the buy price from the wholesaler, which was £4.49 per tub, which equates to £8.98. BuyBot Pro shows that if we purchase this item from the wholesaler, we'd actually make a very small return of 21 pence and 2% return on investment. And BuyBot Pro tells us that if we order this item from the wholesaler, that it does no longer meet our criteria due to the low return on investment and the low profit. This demonstrates 2 things. Firstly, that adopting strategies such as using cashback credit cards and buying goods on offer can lead to buying retail products cheaper than you can buy them via wholesale. And secondly, the importance of running any potential purchases through BuyBot Pro to ensure you know your profit and return on investment. Therefore, there is definitely a place for retail arbitrage and online arbitrage, but wholesale also has its place. Signing up for a wholesaler was fairly easy to do. Check the description box for a free cheat sheet on how to create your first wholesale account.